Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the grounding switch on your washer. The reason why you might have to do this is because your washer won't start. For this repair, we'll be using a screwdriver with a VT20 star bit and a pair of channel locks. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this will be the washer that we're using for this demonstration. It's a Kenmore, and keep in mind yours at home might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. First thing we're going to do is we're going to shut the water off, and now we're going to get our washer turned around, and now we're going to disconnect the hoses. So we're going to use a pair of channel locks and turn them, and you might also want to make sure you have either towels or a bucket standing by, because there will most likely still be water in your lines. The next thing we're going to do is remove our drain hose to get that out of the way. So we're just going to use the channel locks here and squeeze that clamp and shift it down a bit. There we go. And then you can just take the hose and take that off. So now I have to get this back panel off, and in order to do that, I've got to remove all the screws around the edge here, minus the ones that are inside those little cutouts, as well as these two right here. And as we take out this last screw, you're going to want to be careful and make sure that the panel doesn't fall out on you. And now what we can do, with all the screws out, is you take the panel and pull it off. So right here, we have a grounding switch, and as you can see, there's a little lever right there that detects when your back or front panel are on. We've got this one here. We've also got one in the front as well, and what it's supposed to do is if your panel isn't on, it will detect that and it will prevent your washer from running. However, sometimes if they fail, it'll just stop your washer from running with the panels being on. So what we're going to do right here is, to get it off, we're going to use our little screwdriver here and just push in on the bottom tab right there. That'll release it. It'll go all the way down and then pull out the old one. And so now we're going to unplug it. So what we're going to do is, this top piece has a little lever right there, so we're going to push down on that and pull it out. And then for this piece right here, we're just going to be able to pull that straight out like so. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement grounding switch. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now we'll plug this one in, and the wire goes straight on like so, and then this one like that as well, and that clips into place. And now what you're going to want to do is, to get it through this hole right here, you're going to stick that switch through first, make sure that goes in, and line up those 4 little tabs and lift it up, and that should just sit in place right there like so. Now I'm going to put the back panel back on like so, and that'll just go up, and you'll want to line up at least a couple of the holes on top to start with, and we'll get these 2 holes started on top. Now we'll put the drain hose back on. That's just going to go up and push it on all the way like so. And just move that cord out of the way now. Then we can get the clamp there and raise that up. There we go. And now we can reattach our water hoses. Now we can turn the water back on, make sure there's no leaks, and plug everything else in. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.